Hey, what's up guys? For today, as you can see, we're on a different venue. Anyway, I just want to show you how I replaced the wipers on this Mitsubishi Adventure. So this is the new one. Seneca. I bought this for like 350 pesos or $7, $7 US. So this is universal, and I hope this one will fit. Now, reason why we have this sprayer, because it's not raining right now, so we need to spray on some water, and then I'm gonna show you why we need to replace the wiper. It's been like, I think 5 or 10-year-old wiper, and it's kind of noisy, so we're gonna do a little sound check. Okay. Oh, sounds like the Philharmonic in action. One more time, let's speed it up. I'm gonna try spray some water. There you go, still same thing. Imagine the torture if you're driving and you're hearing this kind of noise. It's unwanted noise. I've tried switching the wipers, you know, left to right, right to left, and still the same deal. Nothing's good happening, so I bought new one. So, oh, what motorbike is that? Maybe a Suzuki Bandit, I don't know. Okay. Alright, so later I'm gonna see if I can show you guys how to remove the old wiper and then install a new one. So give me some time to sort things out. I'll be back in a while. And so I'm back. So gonna check if we can pull this out and replace it with new one. How do we do this? I think we just need to pull this out. Maybe this one. There you go. Okay, you just pull this out and voila, it's the old wiper. We do have the new one. Let's check if they have the same sizes. Sorry for my voice, I'm wearing a mask right now. So here's the new one. Oh, this is kind of short. The old one is a bit longer, but I think this one will do. So the original one is, can you focus on this? Bosch, right? Can you see it? The original one is Bosch, and the new one, it doesn't have a brand. My hands are all dirty. So to install this back, I think we just have to do it in reverse. So I'm gonna slide this inside like so, and I think that's it. Easy to remove, easy to install, and someone can easily get this or steal your wiper. So it's not a good idea to buy expensive wiper. I'm gonna replace the other one. Give me a second. 24. So this should be quick. Go, just push this downward there. Okay. I don't know what this thing is for. Maybe it's a lock, but I don't know how to use this. Don't have any idea. Alright. So same steps. It should be quite easy. Go. Then this time try to push it till you hear the click. Where's the clip? There. And it's all done. Now we're gonna test the new wiper. Oh, that's a trash in here. We're gonna check the new wiper. Can you spray? Oh, it's my automatic sprayer. Okay. I hope this will work, or I don't know. I'm hoping this one will work. So here we go. Oh, I can still hear some noise, but it's minimal, or it is quite acceptable, right? Okay, so there you go. Universal wiper working. $7, 350 peso. Mitsubishi Adventure. My hands are all dirty. Next time we're gonna try to clean this up with Megwars. 10-year-old Mitsubishi Adventure. So see you next time, guys.